Oh, I don't think I was recording. Hi, Buggy! See, she's none the worse for wear. There's her Candice box that she's a big fan of. Opening like a shoebox when you have all 50,000 toys. Madeline, do you want to sit down and show Brother how you wave? Do you want to sit? Ooh, raspberry! You don't need that. Hold on. You don't need that. Sit down. Okay, Madeline. Madeline. Hi. All right. Say hi, brother. I don't think she's in the mood for waving and clapping right now. So, uh-oh.